Amerika Prezidenti Joe Baydен 7 fevral günü Amerika Dövlət Məclisində Amerikanın dövlət əhvalı toğırlıq dokulat bergen. Bu dokulatida u vəzifə ötəgən 2 yıldan beri Amerikada işsizlik nisbətinin düşkənligi, pul paxallıqının kontrol qılınğanlığı qatarlıq nəticələrini tilgə alğan. Andın Amerikanın demokratik dövlətlər və NATO bilan birləşib Rusiyanın Ukraynaga qılğan hücumuga qarşı turğanlığını aytqan.
Putin's invasion has been a test for the ages, a test for America, a test for the world. Would we stand for the most basic of principles? Would we stand for sovereignty? Would we stand for the right of people to live free of tyranny? Would we stand for the defense of democracy? For such defense matters to us because it keeps peace and prevents open season on would-be aggressors and threatens our prosperity. 1 year later, we know the answer. Yes, we would, and we did.
Prezident Joe Baydен bu dokulatida Xitoy haqida to'xtalganda mundaq degan: "Men prezident Xi bilan shu nishonni aniqlashtirdimki, biz to'qinishmaymiz, ammo raqobatlashimiz. Biz Amerikaning texnikada yangilik yaratishiga va kelgusi sanoatiga mablag' solamiz. Xitoy hukumatı dal mushu sohada ustunlik qozonishga urinmoqda. Biz ittifoqdoshlarimizga mablag' solish, ular bilan hamkorlashish orqali ilg'or texnikamizni qo'g'daymiz va bu texnikalarning bizga qarshi qo'llanilishidan saqlanamiz."
Before I came to office, the story was about how the People's Republic of China was increasing its power and America was failing in the world. Not anymore. We made clear, and I made clear in my personal conversations, which have been many, with President Xi, that we seek competition, not conflict. But I will make no apologies that we're investing to make America stronger. Investing in American innovation and industries that will define the future that China intends to be dominating. Investing in our alliances and working with our allies to protect advanced technologies so they will not be used against us. Modernizing our military to safeguard stability and deter aggression.
Joe Baydен bu sözüdə Amerikanın kompüter özüki yasaş sanaiti və uçur əlaqə texnikasını Xitayğa setib verməslik iradəsini ifadələyən olub, Xitay Amerikanın texnikasını, məsələn, TikTok app detalını Amerikada casuslıq qilishqa işlətgan.
We must finally hold social media companies accountable for experimenting they're doing running children for profit. There's time to pass bipartisan legislation to stop big tech from collecting personal data on our kids and teenagers online. Ban targeted advertising to children and impose stricter limits on the personal data that companies collect on all of us.
Joe Baydен Xitoyni Amerikaning egilik huquqiga cheqilishdan agahlandırıb mundaq degan: "Xavfsizlikni saqlash, tajovuzchilikqa taqobil turish uchun armiyamizni zamonaviylashtiramiz. Biz hozir necha 10 yildan buyanqi eng kuchli o'rinda turyapmiz. Xitoy va boshqa har qanday davlat bilan raqobatlasha olamiz. Agar Xitoy bizning egilik huquqimizga tajovuz qilsa, biz cho'qim harakat qo'llanib, davlatimizni qo'g'daymiz. Ham shunday qilib keldik."
As we made clear last week, if China threatens our sovereignty, we will act to protect our country, and we did. Look, let's be clear. Winning the competition should unite all of us. We face serious challenges across the world. But in the past 2 years, democracies have become stronger, not weaker. Autocracies have grown weaker, not stronger. Name me a world leader who changed places with Xi Jinping. Name me one. Name me one.
Xi Jinpingga qarshi tik tura oladigan mendan boshqa bir dunyo rahbari bormi? Bo'lsa, menga ko'rsatib beringlar. Prezident Joe Baydен bu yerda Amerikaning oldingi hafta Xitoyning josuslik havo sharini etib tushirganligini e'lon qilgan. Joe Baydен Xitoyning xirsiga taqobil turishda Amerikadagi har ikki partiyaning qarorining birdek ekanligini, mustabidlikka qarshi kurashda g'alaba qozonayotganligini ko'rsatib, shuni aniqlashtirishimiz kerakki, Xitoy bilan bo'layotgan raqobatda utib chiqish bizni ittifoqlashtirdi. Dunyoviy xirslarga duch kelyapmiz. Ammo o'tgan 2 yilda demokratik davlatlar ojizlashmadi, balki kuchaydi. Mustabid hokimiyatlar kuchaymadi, balki texim ojizlashdi degan.
But I've never been more optimistic about our future, about the future of America. We just have to remember who we are. We're the United States of America, and there's nothing beyond our capacity if we do it together. God bless you all. May God protect our troops. Thank you.